Welcome to Cooking Serbian Food with Doreen. Today we are making a ćevape. I think that's how it's called, baby.
Yes, it's called ćevapi.
Ćevape. So for
in
this
Serbian, or as many people know it, kebab.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's how we call it here in Kenya.
But
So we are doing kebabs.
every country has their own way to prepare ćevapi. So yeah, this is Serbian version, or usually all Balkan versions are more or less the same.
Yeah.
So what did you do?
So we had mincemeat yesterday. As you can see, most of the things have already been done because we had to do it yesterday for the fridge. So I had the onions, which were minced, and we added some spices on them. So we left it overnight in the fridge, and right now I just made a roll because we had 500 grams of mincemeat. And actually I noticed that we need to add some mineral water when you are mincing it or when you're kneading it. Yeah, so I added mineral water, soda, bicarbonate.
Yeah, I think they're a little bit big.
They're big.
From 50 grams of meat, you should have 20. How much?
They're 20 actually.
They're 20?
Yeah. So once you've just made them 20, so this is something which I learned how to make them
Show us.
Without using
Turn it the other
hands.
way so so people can see.
How do I turn it? Can you
Okay.
see? Yeah, because I have to do it like this. So just to make a quick roll.
That's
This is
a trick.
it's easy. And you see, now you can make it any size you want.
No, it's a perfect shape.
Yeah. Let me just put them like that. So after this, we'll fry them, and we have them with which kind of bread, baby? Petty. The bread I bought yesterday.
Can you take that bread and show? Okay, we can show it later, but
yeah, maybe
here,
after frying we'll show the bread.
Yeah,
it's called petty, or how was it called?
I don't know how it's called in Kenya.
Pita bread.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
we'll show that once we fried the kebabs, ćevape.
Okay, so we will be back when you start frying.
Yeah. We've started frying the ćevapes. So I had to do it twice because we added water on them. Now there's a lot of water on the oil.
Mineral water.
Yeah, so there's a lot of water on the oil. So you're frying them on this, then transferring here so that they can at least dry and get golden brown.
Yeah, they should be soft. They should not be
Yeah, they're actually soft.
crunchy,
They're soft, but
crispy.
And golden brown. That's what the outcome will be.
Okay, we will continue when they're done.
Yeah, so right now I'll be making I need to cut the onions. We eat them with the onions, right?
We eat them with the onions
we have
and
the
sour cream.
Yeah.
And bread, that's all, nothing else.
Okay, let me prepare the onions then now. We need to add the table on it. Okay, now it's the time to dip the bread. Just to soak it as well.
To soak that little bit of grease to get a taste of meat and to get warm.
Okay. You want to soak a lot of oil, right? Just a little bit, or?
Well, I don't know what's enough.
Soak the other, the second one.
It should be done on grill. So when you put bread on grill, ćevapi are much better on grill. I mean, but this is the home version, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's done. So I just need to add the onions.
To chop onions, yeah. That's what's remaining there already. They turn a little bit dark. I don't know why. When they were nice color, they were really raw inside, so
yeah, I had to do them twice.
we had to. They look really like they're burned, but I don't think they are. We'll see.
They're not. They're cooked inside. Well done. Now my ćevapi, it's ready. Want to try it and see if it's really well done or I didn't do it well. So first, let me get the bread. We had warmed it. So I just have to cut.
Yeah. You cut it in the middle.
Yeah.
That's called 10 upola s lukom.
That's what it's called? Yeah, it has a whole.
That means 10 and a half of bread with onion.
So I will add the
Sour cream.
This is our local sour cream I got from the supermarket. Okay, I think that's enough. Then now it's time to chop the meat.
Yeah, you put 10.
Do you want to be more?
Think it will fit?
Yeah, I think so. No, it won't. It will be
Then
too
it's
much.
not gonna be real 10 upola s lukom.
They didn't make it big enough, but I think that's okay. It's more than 10.
And now
I'll add my onions. We've actually used white onions.
yeah,
I always like how it tastes. It's
we
much better than.
put white ones in the in ćevap.
Yeah, it's much better than the red onions. It's time to chop.
Let's see.
Let me see
How
how
you
it
like
tastes.
it?
Oh, actually, very nice.
Just very nice, or
It's really perfect. I think I should add this on top a little bit. Very, very good. You did a good job.
me with recording? So is it easy to prepare?
You teaching me how to make it. It's really easy to prepare.
Your final verdict?
I like it, and I can share the
Recipe?
on our channel. If you really want to try it, welcome to our channel. That's all about our today's cooking. If you want to learn more about Serbian recipe, welcome to our channel. Havala. Bye. Thank you.